Hey, how you doing, guys? Just got this 2010 Silverado in, Z71 4x4. Real nice truck. It's white, tan interior. Just got it. It's got 41,000 and change on it. It's got a lot of nice little additions. I'm not really a truck customizer guy, but it got some nice wheels and tires on it. Exhaust, some LED lights, some nice trim pieces. Got these skull-like wheels. Punisher or something like that. And it's got a lift on it. I'm not quite sure. I'll find out with its body, suspension, and all that. Put in the video. It's an LT. It's got a real nice sound to it. This dual exhaust. I'll shut up for a minute. I'm gonna drive it here so that you can hear it. It's got the backup camera. Real clean. Can't really find anything wrong with it. Got some different, like I say, LED lights, fogs up here, and the ones in the back. Looks like some higher grade bulbs in it. Tinted windows, the flares on the window. It's the extra cab, got the 4 doors. Sits up pretty high. Nicely done, a good match. It's got the Moment 41-126. Tan interior. It's got the backup camera and the mirror. And then, like I say, we'll take it for a little drive here. It's got the manual tow mode on it, which I'm using at the moment, but sounds excellent. This little manual mode for the towing, but you can use it to hold a gear. Exhaust just sounds great on it. Not sure what that is either. I'll put that in the specs later, but I wanted to get a video in while I could. My name's Ben Lindsay. It's 314-249-6307. I'm going to try to get a couple more lifted pickups out here. This one's not going to last. Everybody's already checking it out and everything. So anyways, name and numbers in the ad. If you want to check out the truck, give me a call. And I'll be seeing you later. Have a great day.